Welcome back to that Statman. Today we are going to connect the Salus IT800 to the UG600 gateway and connect it to the app. The app that you need from the App Store or Play Store will be the Salus Premium Lite on here. Download, you will have to register, create an account. Once you've done that, we can then add the gateway. Firstly, you have to plug in the gateway, connect the network cable that comes in the box to your router. Once you have a blue ring on top of the gateway, press the top of the gateway once, it will flash green, and then in the app you will search for gateway, activate your gateway, and the hub will turn back to a solid blue ring. I've already created an account, so I'll open, and you'll see that the hub is grey because it's offline, so I currently have it switched off. When you first plug in the gateway, it should go to red, back to green, and then go back to red again before turning blue. The next stage is to hold in the bottom right hand pin here on the receiver for 3 seconds and let go, and you'll see the top light start to flash blue, and then you can go to your app, equipment, gateways. This is already showing the hub that is online, and now we wish to add a gateway. When you get to here, you want to connect via Wi-Fi, then select Wi-Fi receiver, and then set up with Bluetooth. And there we have the IT800 receiver. We can select that, and it will now look for the Wi-Fi connections. I will just enter those and then come back. Once you've selected your Wi-Fi network and entered your password, you can then press the blue button. It will now find the receiver, go through a little setup process, which will turn into green ticks. And there we are, it's connected. You can see the blue light has gone solid. And now all we need to do is fill in country, time zone, name, address, etc. Once you've done that, you can click on Activate My Gateway. Once you activate your gateway receiver, the next page will come to connecting equipment, which is going to be the actual thermostat itself. To do this, same again, select, connect the equipment, success, and then you can name this anything you like. I'm going to be sticking this one in the kitchen to control my underfloor heating, so that will be called kitchen. And then once you've done that, finished, and there we are, straight into the app where you can then turn up, wait your 5 seconds, and there we go, she's on. Or you can turn down. You've also got heating, cooling, or standby, so you can switch it off. You've got the manual, where you can have it permanently set at any temperature you like, or you can follow the schedule. Now the settings button will take you through display brightness, temperature calibration. You can do adaptive start, stop, frost protection, holiday mode, low battery alert for the thermostat, which you can have as a notification, and also a notification should the link ever be lost. Save that, go back, and then down here you have your schedule, which you can do Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday. You can edit down here. You can delete all the intervals, do a default schedule. You can edit time, temperature, etc. All done through the app. That basically shows 19.5, 19.5. We can turn it down to 12, showing it's received some signal, and switches off. All very simple, very quick, nice easy stages, all self-explanatory, and you can add more devices. You can add up to 100 devices to this UG600 gateway. If for any reason your signal between there and there is a long way and it can't quite receive the signal, or the signal is weak, you also have, if you hold this button down for 3 seconds, it will take you to a menu, and you can go to the RF, which is the signal, and this should show you the signal strength. If for any reason your signal is weak and this is too far apart, you can simply add any Salus smart home device, like online plugs that you can plug in, and that will act as a bridge to extend all the signals to every device. That is the Salus IT800. You've seen it wired, you've seen it connected, you've seen it in use. Now we can add more devices as we grow our system. Anything up to window detectors, flood detectors, plug sockets, light relays. The list is almost endless and growing. Very good kit. Thank you very much. This was That Statman. If you like, please share, follow and subscribe.